Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another limited edition box, another Look Fantastic collaboration. This time is with Espa, if I'm saying right. I don't know exactly how to pronounce this brand. It's a brand that comes often in the monthly Look Fantastic box, and as far I can see, something is leaking here because I see the spots on the box. Let's see what's inside, or what is left inside this box. Yeah, it's this card is wet. Anyway, comes with the booklet that give you information about all the products and many other details about the brand and other products that are not in the box. And here is the box inside. Yeah, if you see here, there is a product without actually this fold. Okay, this one doesn't have the cap on. It's somewhere in here. Yeah, this one is empty. I'm gonna email them. I don't think they will do something because I got this box a while ago and they will say that it's too late to complain about. Anyway, this is or this was the fitness body oil and smells really nice. At least the packaging, because the product is not there anymore. I don't like when that happens. I don't understand how the cap got in the other side of the box, but anyway, it is what it is. Comes from England, so it's a long way. Then we have, I'm gonna try to see if they have those in order, as I had in the other box. It has an Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser, which is this one, and this I believe is the first step. Usually in those boxes are coming these boxes are coming with a complete skincare regimen. So far this one is a cleanser, 3-in-1 cleanser, exfoliator and masks for visibly radiant skin, which is this one. Then we have Optimal Skin Pro Serum. Let's see which one is that. This one is the Pro Serum. It seems like they are full sizes. So here is the serum. The next one, it's the moisturizer, Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. I'm trying to see which one is there. Is this one, and I see another moisturizer there, and this one says to apply daily and also apply each evening. And there is another night cream here. I don't know what to say about this. Use morning and evening, and the other one, it's overnight hydration therapy. Anyway, here is the moisturizer, and the size of this looks like this. I believe all of them are full-size products. The next one, it's overnight hydration therapy, and is this one. The box, it's a different color. It's with pink, not with gray. And you're supposed to use this one after the serum. So probably I will use the other one for day and this one for nights. And then we have pink hair and scalp mud intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. Is this one. It's a deluxe sample. Massage it into scalp into scalp and dry hair when then leave it on overnight as an intense treatment. In the morning, shampoo and conditioner hair as normal. So you're supposed to put this one at night, massage it in your hair, leave it there. Next morning, wash your hair as you always do. So this is all, and of course supposed to be the body oil. And this one says here, massage into skin and firm upward movements towards the heart until fully absorbed. So you're supposed to use this over shoulders, arm and legs. Anyway, it's empty. We'll see if they will send me another one or not. I don't think they will do that. But anyway, this is the Espa, I don't know how you pronounce this brand. Is this one right here. Collaboration with Look Fantastic. A complete skincare regimen, and also you have a hair product and a body one when it comes. So far this is all in this box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about this brand, if you used it before. It's a brand that comes in Look Fantastic boxes. And with this being said, I wish you a great day or a great night, whatever is there. I'll see you soon with another unboxing. Give me a like if you like this video, or subscribe if you're new to my channel. Appreciate each comment, each viewer, each friend here on YouTube. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.